Hi guys. Today
Today's video
we are going to be unboxing these and just watching and stuff like that.
Oh.
These for cars. Make sure to click that subscribe button. It's free, and you can always unsubscribe and change your mind.
So you might as well, mate, in there.
Yeah.
So what do we say? Don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe.
There's no stripes. Hang on, let me do
There
it.
was a stripe.
Hang on. Over.
Right.
Okay, that's.
What have you got?
The red one?
The red one. And then what's this one?
I can hold
Okay.
it. The golden.
Go on then. Okay, open them up.
Oh, yeah.
Don't think I'll need
One,
that bit.
Emily, wait.
Okay.
Oh, there's one. Wow.
Scissors.
No, just use your fingers. Oh, fine, use the scissors.
Over, you could just tear it. Hang on. Stop that. Yeah.
Take the scissors off then. Can I see it then?
Hang on.
Can I see?
I think that one's a collectible one, so that bit doesn't come off. So if you see that, it's actually a red one with an 8 on it. And oh wait, there's golden wheels. That's cool. So
Let me see. Great. Let's figure out what this dinosaur does then.
it shows it on the
Oh
box.
yeah. Hang on. 1 second.
Right. And then try to figure out what this does.
If there's a handle here, that would.
Oh,
yeah,
put
that
the cars in.
And then hang on. Then that would open. Would probably shoot down there. I don't know.
Yeah. Hang on.
Wait, did it go through the mouth? Oh yeah.
I thought that it was electronic and it's supposed to make noises. Why isn't the electrics working?
I don't know. Right. So wait.
So button on the back. Oh, right. Now how do we get it to work?
Hang on.
Put it back.
Right. So hang on.
Maybe this.
Oh, you found the button. Well done.
Which button was it?
That grey one on the front. Oh, and it walks. That's so cool.
Let's get the cars in.
Yeah.
Can I put the
Woo! No, but what does this bit do?
Come on, guys.
Nothing.
Let's go, guys. Guys, let me show you something.
Right.
That
Thing can't be there.
Well, I missed what happened there, Ollie. Did you open this back end and I didn't see it?
Oh no.
Let me see. Oh. So you managed...
How did it get shoot
Hang
out?
on over. Wait.
How did it...
Wait for
I
the
don't know.
magic.
Wow. So, can you show me again how it goes in the back?
Yeah. Hang on. Yeah.
Just trying to remember.
Try it again. Where did it? Oh. Guys, let's try it again. Right. 3, 2, 1.
Seems like he died. Oh no, here he is. I bet he would walk better on the kitchen floor. Maybe we should take him down the kitchen. What do you think?
Whoa.
Right, so we're in the kitchen now and we're going to put both cars in the back, aren't we?
Yeah.
Go on then.
Hang on, guys. Right, Emily, put yours behind. 3. Yeah, I'll press the button. 3. Ow.
Oh, Emily, are you okay?
3, 2, 1. Guys, let's do it again. Let's make it stop. Hang on. No,
Oh.
what does this do?
I don't know. It doesn't go anywhere. It must be a storage area.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it won't actually fit, would it? Oh,
Yeah.
It is
maybe
fit.
it does.
Okay, get your thing out and do you want to do it again?
Yeah. Guys, let's go. 3, 2, 1. Hang on. Guys, you can stay there. I'm just going to get something.
Okay. It's a shame that the cars don't shoot out, isn't it? You just kind of spits them out upside down.
If there's a path like that.
Yeah, it would be better, wouldn't it? Let's see him finish off his little walk. Oh, he just does it again.
Yeah.
Okay then.
I have an idea.
Go on then.
So we keep this bit open.
Yeah.
Oops. And then, hang on. Then you press the button. And then ready to immediately open that back up.
Okay.
Hi guys, I'm back. I know.
Hi.
I've got the sticks.
I'm doing a small experiment.
Right. We're putting the both in that.
Hang on, not yet, not yet, not yet.
Make it stop.
No.
This bit out.
Yo, that's super cool, guys. Hang on. Guys, let's put them both at the same time back in again. Let's go. I'm pretty sure we buy 3. Oh, yeah. That one's not coming in yet. Let's go.
That one's a figurine, although it doesn't move.
No, you can
You'd need to use a screwdriver to get it undone.
Yeah.
hang on. Put yours at the back.
Right. Put both of them in. Let's see if it works
I'll turn
better.
that on. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, the video
If it spits it onto my hand, I can.
Right, guys, let's go to the watch now.
Okay.
That had a pattern.
Let's open your watch then.
Hang on, guys. Let's just like there.
Okay.
Right, let's go, guys. So,
So-
I will open it up, guys. Open it. Let's put it out. Now, let's put it on.
Hang on. Peel the sticker off.
Yeah, let's video Emily peeling the sticker off because that's always very satisfying.
Hang on. I can't get my nail in it. Right, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, so satisfying.
Right, guys, let's put it on for me. Hang on. Let me just. Right, put it back a little bit.
So, that's
Hang
it.
on, put it around.
And then, what? Turn your hand over.
Right. See what this thing can do.
Ooh, wow, it tells the time.
Ooh. Nice.
Let's have a look. And then so every time we want to know the time, we press the button. And it says Team Sonic. That's cool. So what do we say to everyone about for watching our video?
Thank you.
Emily, I can't see
And
you.
see you on the next video.
Thank you.
If you want to see more, then click on this video.
Yeah. And
Bye.
don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yeah.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye, guys.
Bye.